if you want a clear example of how we can introduce new neural pathways, I'm left-handed. And I sat down one day and I was like, let me start writing with my right hand, because I heard it stimulates different parts of your brain. And within a week, the penmanship in my right hand was almost that of my left hand, if not better, because I was so deliberate and I had to pay much more attention to how I was writing. And I posted it on Instagram, and people were just like, they were amazed because I took a photo every day. I sat down and wrote one page. And so within a week, we can see changes. Within a day, we could see changes. So this is not something that, requires years and decades in terms of grooving new neural pathways. As soon as we start to plant seeds, we can see growth taking place, or not see it, like bamboo, which takes 3 years to grow.